Hey, all right. This is journal page 352, section 15.1, volume of cylinders. So when we're finding the volume of a cylinder, it's much like finding the volume of a prism. You find in the area of the base, big B, times the height of the cylinder. And remember, to find big B on a cylinder will be pi r squared, because the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, number one, we have they gave us the diameter of diameter of 12. We only want the radius, which is 6. So pi 6 squared. So pi 6 squared will be for big B times the height, which is 5. Well, 6 squared is 36. So this is 36 times 5 times pi. And 36 times 5 would be 180 pi. And these are centimeters, and it's volume, so centimeters cubed, number 2. Same exact thing, B times H. B is going to be pi r squared. Pi, the radius is 4, so pi 4 squared times the height of 10. So 4 squared is 16, so 16 times 10 times pi will be 160 pi inches cubed. Number 3, find the missing dimension of the cylinder. Round your answer to the nearest whole number. So the volume here is 84. So now we have the volume equals pi r squared times h. And they're saying the volume is 84. And we can see the radius is 3. So pi, the radius is 3, so that would be 3 squared, which is 9. And we're looking for the height. So now, divide both sides by 9 pi, or by 9 and then by pi, but you can just do it together. So, divide by 9 pi. Divide by 9 pi. Those cancel out. And 84 over 9 pi equals h. Number 4, we're going to leave these in terms of pi, so you can't simplify that at all. Actually, we could divide both sides, top and bottom, by 3 here. So we could make this into, dividing the top by 3 would give you 28 over 3 pi. That's a little more simple. And the units would be inches. Okay, number 4. Same kind of problem where they're giving us the volume. So volume equals pi r squared, because that's the base, area of the base, times the height. Let's plug in what we know, 650 for the volume. Pi is pi. The radius here will be 4. And 4 squared is 16, so times 16 times height is what we're looking for again. And this time we'll divide both sides by 16 pi. Cancels out. 650 over 16 pi. Well, I know I can simplify both those by 2 because they're even. So 650 would be 325. 16 divided by 2 would be 8 pi. And then this will be centimeters. Finally, to make orange juice, the directions call for a can of orange juice concentrate to be mixed with 3 cans of water. What is the volume of orange juice that you will make? Well, let's look at the volume of this. So number 5, we're just doing volume equals base times height again. Pi r squared, so times the height. Radius is 1.5, because it's 3 all the way across. We only want 1.5, so 1.5 squared (2.25) times the height. (11.25 pi). That's what the volume of 1 can is, but you have to mix the orange juice, so that's 1 can, with 3 cans of water, so 3 additional cans, so you have 4 cans. So we have 11.25 pi times 4, 44, and 0.25 times 4 is another one, so 45 pi inches cubed. That'll be the volume of orange juice you make. Awesome. Well, hopefully that helped. Wasn't that hard of a assignment. Have an awesome evening.